Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimal basics. In the previous video, we looked at fractions which had a denominator of 100. For example, 37 over 100 equals 37 hundredths. 29 over 100 equals 29 hundredths. In each of the above two cases, the denominator is 100. It is easy to convert each of the above fractions to a decimal because the denominator for both of them is 100. So, 37 over 100 is 0.37. And 29 over 100 is 0.29. Each of the decimals is said in a special way. So, this decimal here, we say it as 0.37, and this decimal here we say it as 0.29. So you say each of the digits one by one. Note, we include the 0 to the left of the decimal point for neatness, and it tells us that there is no whole number in that place. By a whole number I mean a positive whole number. Some practical examples. Example 1. A bench is 31 centimeters wide. What fraction of a meter is this measurement? Express this measurement as a decimal. So the fraction of a meter is 31 over 100 because it's 31 centimeters wide and there are 100 centimeters in a meter. And the decimal measurement is 0.31 meters. Example 2. A garden bed is 217 centimeters long. Express this as a mixed number in meters. So the answer is 2 and 17 over 100 meters. Now the reason we have a 2 here is that the garden bed is over 200 centimeters long. So that 2 there, so it's 200 and something. So we know that 200 centimeters gives us 2 meters, and that's the fraction part. See that 17 there? That's the fraction part. Write the length as a decimal. So the answer is 2.17 meters because 17 over 100 is 0.17. Example 3. Here we have Bill and here we have Ted. Bill is 139 centimeters tall and Ted is 117 centimeters tall. Number 1. Express each height as a decimal, showing each height in meters. So Bill is 1.39 meters tall and Ted is 1.17 meters tall. So each of them is over 1 meter in height because that's 139. See, that's 100 there, and that's the 100 there. So we know each of them is over 1 meter tall, and there are the centimeters there, 39 and 17. So 1.39, 1.17. What is the difference in height expressed in centimeters? So 139 take away 117 gives you 22 because difference is take away or minus or subtraction. So the difference in height is 22 centimeters. Express the difference as a fraction of a meter with the denominator of 100. So the difference is 22 over 100. So that's the fraction of a meter, 22 over 100. And write the fraction as a decimal, 0.22 meters. So it's all quite straightforward because when you have the denominator as 100, it's very, very easy to do these sums.